report to the nearest police station in the next 6 hours, because that vehicle that fled is considered and believed to have been with ammunition that he was supplying in this region. So if he does not surrender himself to the police station, then we shall consider him as armed and dangerous and shall deal with him as such. After the vehicle was searched, there is an AK-47 that was discovered, and of course it was already fitted by a bayonet. So it is a very lethal weapon already, and of course the police officers were also able to recover 10 ammunitions. So what we are going to do is that we are going to charge them with promoting warlike activities in this region, because they were supplying firearms that were meant to attack some other clans.